Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for contacting Marshall Skoda Nottingham. Here's our short video walk around of our race blue Skoda Octavia hatchback in the SE Technology trim. SE Technology comes with front and rear parking sensors, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in the form of Skoda SmartLink, and it also comes with adaptive cruise control. Inside the car you've got dual zone climate control and a full touchscreen infotainment display where you can reach your sat nav and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. For more information on this car or to arrange a test drive, please contact one of the sales team here at Marshall Skoda Nottingham on 0115 920 2355. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.